Hello, good morning students. Today we will start our new topic, additional features on MS Windows. So we will discuss about these additional features on MS Windows. In these features, we will discuss Windows 7 offers us a variety of new features which has simplified our daily tasks. These features we can use it and to do our work and task in a simplified manner, in a very easy manner. How we use these features to save our time also. Some of the salient features of Windows 7 are as follows. Touch screen. You had all seen this touch screen features in your Android phone. All you have Android phones and you had seen these features. You had seen this feature in ATM machine also, in tablets also, in TV screen also, in computers also. These features, this touch screen features you had seen. You are very much of know about this feature. Next is Snap. We will discuss this feature. And then Shake, Arrow Flip 3D, and then Searching Made Easier. How you can search all the informations in all your data in a very easy manner. Next topic is Windows 7 Taskbar. How you can use this taskbar feature to use this navigate feature and use this flexible feature to perform your task. So we will discuss on that. Jump list. Next feature is jump list, and next is Windows Media Center. So these all options we will discuss one by one. Touch screen. You all know that touch screen you had seen in your phone, Android phones, some tablets are there, some computers are there which you touch on your screen and you can do anything, you can use any feature of that appliance. Okay. So with the touch sensitive screen hardware and Windows 7 software, we can easily flip through photo albums and shuffle files and folders. In Windows 7, there is a feature of touch screen where you can use the flip option and you can see the photo albums and you can shuffle your files, photos without using a mouse. Without using a mouse, you can change you and you can open any folder. Touch screen can now also be experienced in mobile phones, as I told you, in tablets, ATMs, ticket collection, terminals, etc. These all are based on nowadays touch screen. Next is, here you can see the picture also. Next is Snap. What is a Snap? It is a quick method to resize the open window. It is very quick method to resize the open window. Resize means you can change the size of the window. Short and long means small and big. You can change your size of the window. Drag one of the window to the left edge of the screen and another to the right edge. In this manner, you can view two windows side by side. In this snap, you can see two windows at a time in side by side manner, left and right, by touching the window left of the screen and another to the right of the screen. You can send it to the left of the screen and right of the screen. To the two windows can be appear on your same page. So this is a snap. Dragging the window to the upper edge of the screen will take up the entire screen. If you had seen in your mobile phones also, there is an option. If your screen is open, And if you will touch the edge of the screen at upper side, the screen window will be get small. So this is also a dragging method where you can change the size of the screen. Dragging the window to the lower edge of the screen will expand it vertically, occupying half of the screen. If you are dragging your screen to the lower edge and you will expand it, it will be open in vertical manner and it will occupy your half of the screen. Next is shake. Click on the top of a window and without releasing the mouse button, give your mouse a shake. Every open window except the one you are working with will disappear. That will be minimized. It means whichever the window is open, on whatever the window is open and you are working on that, except that window, others option will be minimized. How it is possible? When you are clicking your mouse button, left mouse button, and clicking on the top of the window, and you are shaking the mouse and you are shaking the mouse, the other options will be minimized and the current window will only open wherever you are working. So this is the option of shaking. You have to shake your mouse by clicking on the button at the top of the Windows 7. Okay. Arrow flip 3D. Flip means the screen is just changing the side. It means flipping. How this feature work? It is an interesting feature of Windows 7. This feature enables you to preview all open windows as a stack. To activate the arrow flip 3D feature, press window key plus tab key option. If you want to preview all your open windows as a stack, you can open this arrow flip 3D option. You can enable this feature. How it is possible? You have to press window key and tab key together. This window key is present on your keyboard. Have you seen this 4 colored size window key in your keyboard? And you have to press this with tab key together. Both the keys you have to press together. Then arrow flip 3D feature will be enabled. Notice that Windows will automatically direct you to the desktop displaying the open windows. Then your this method feature will be enabled and you will just jump to the windows directly and you can see all your open windows. To select and view the desired window, hold the Windows key. You have to press window key again and use the tab key to scroll through. And when you will press tab key, your options will be just going one by one. As the desired window appears on the stack, release both the keys. The windows will open on the screen. And whichever the option you want to choose, release both the keys, the window will be open on your screen. So this is a arrow flip 3D method. In next class, we will do other features. Thank you, class.